Okay, so I have this Prada backpack and it's like really dirty. I got eyebrow pencil on it. The back has discoloration. But we're gonna put it in my washing machine and see how it goes. So I have a portable washing machine. We're gonna put it in here with some cold water and detergent. I'm really scared because it has patent leather. Okay, now I'm going to rinse it. It turned out so good. This is nearly gone. There's still some rust stains, but that's to be expected. And the back and the straps, you guys, the bottom, so much better.